Today, we're going to learn something super useful: how to convert fractions into decimals. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at it. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. First, let's quickly understand the basics. A fraction is just a way of showing parts of a whole. Example: 1/2 means 1 part out of 2. A decimal is another way of writing the same value, like 0.5 instead of 1/2. So converting fractions to decimals is just changing the format, not the value. One of the most common ways is long division. Here's how. Example: 2/5. Take the numerator, top number, and divide it by the denominator, bottom number. So in this case, we can't take a whole group of 5 out of that 2. So we need to extend our division problem by putting a decimal and a 0. So now we can think of that as 20 and bring our decimal straight up. How many whole groups of 5 can we pull out of 20? Well, 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract and we get a 0, and that tells us we are done. So 2/5 is equal to 0.4. Another example, 3/4. So 3 divided by 4. We need to extend our division problem with a decimal and a 0, because we can't do 3 divided by 4. So now we think of this as 30. How many whole groups of 4 out of 30? 7. And 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract, we get 2. So we did not get a 0 right away. We can extend this division problem by putting another 0 on the end, a 0 to the right of a decimal. Now we can bring that 0 down, and we have 20. 20 divided by 4, and we get 5. 5 times 4 is 20, and 20 minus 20 is 0. We are done. So 3/4 is equal to 0.75. So there you have it. There's how you convert a fraction to a decimal. Divide the numerator by the denominator and then interpret your answer. Do you need to round? Is it a repeating decimal? Now, let's practice together. Convert these fractions into decimals. 5/8, 7/10, 9/20. Answers: 5/8 equals 0.625. 7/10 equals 0.7. 9/20 equals 0.45. Great job! If you got them right, you're on the right track. So that's how you convert fractions into decimals, either by long division or equivalent fractions. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tips and tricks. Comment below if you want me to cover decimals back into fractions in the next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, math is everywhere.